All right, here's how I make a rolled rose, like this one. You're gonna start out with your cutout. Looks like this. And so you start out from the end, from the outside, not the inside, but the outside. I kind of like to get it curled a little bit in the beginning. You start to roll it from the outside and you work your way in. See, I'm just rolling it. So I've made it to the end here, and I'm gonna hold it from the bottom and the top like this. And then in order to kind of give it that nice non-scrunched look, oh, that popped out. Okay, I'm gonna push it back in. You kind of want to start letting it go a little bit so it loosens up like that. When you get to the end over here, this little tab at the bottom, you're gonna put glue at the bottom and just stick it right on there. I do a little last minute shaping just to make sure it still looks the way I want it to. And hold it down, make sure it really glues down, and that's it. That's how the rose ends up looking. Just like this one. It's a little bigger version.